Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You sign in and go straight to privacy and online safety because message settings live there. Once signed in, select the profile you want to change, your account or a child's managed account, so rules apply correctly. Make sure you're using a parent Microsoft account if adjusting family settings. This ensures you can set limits. Then choose privacy and online safety from settings. This opens the controls for communication and messaging. You do this now to access the specific messaging controls quickly and securely. Once in privacy controls, click Communication and Multiplayer to reach message permissions. You'll see options like who can communicate with you and whether you can communicate outside Xbox Live. Change these to friends, everyone, or block depending on comfort. For a child account, choose friends or block to reduce unwanted contact. This prevents messages from strangers and helps safety. Make sure to save changes if you manage multiple accounts. Repeat the steps so each profile reflects the right level of messaging access. After updating, save and test. Sign out and back in or send a test message to verify the new rules. If you manage family settings, check the Microsoft Family Portal to review message restrictions and content filters because those central controls override console settings. If changes don't take effect, restart the console and confirm your account sync. Often a reset forces policy refresh. If issues persist, remove and re-add the child's account or sign into the Xbox app to reconfirm settings. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.